Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Perfection Achieved. I am Chef Joey Prats, and today we are making a very special recipe called egg salad. I know a lot of you are not familiar with egg salad. It's an American invention, but if you do it correctly, if you have the right balance between the ingredients, this is one fantastic recipe that you would want to share with your family and friends. Okay, so let's get down to business. First of all, this can be served as a snack. It can be served as a full meal. It can be taken to picnics, to parties, everywhere. It lasts quite some time in your fridge, as long as you keep your fridge nice and cold. And it's very, very versatile in terms of how you can serve it. So, let's review our ingredients for today. By the way, the full recipe is in the description box. And if you like what you see, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be updated of any of our future releases. All right? So, you will need, for this recipe, some hard-boiled eggs. For the hard-boiled eggs, let me just show you how to cut them up. I like my egg salad to be chunky. Okay, so if you like them not so chunky, then you can cut your ingredients into smaller pieces. But I like them really chunky. So what I do, I just slice the egg this way. Okay, so half, and then half again, and then into three. Okay, so chunky. Okay. You don't have to be perfect. This will be mixed with other ingredients. You just want them to be nice and uniform shape, okay? So, we're using a total of 12 eggs. That's 600 grams without the shell. Okay, so we slice them up. And this is very practical for the sandwiches. I like serving my egg salad as a sandwich filling. Let's mix up our salad. Now, to those of you who are saying, why egg salad and what's so special about egg salad, I can relate. The first time I heard about egg salad, the first time I tasted egg salad from a friend of mine who made this into a picnic treat for us, I was not impressed. And I said, I'm not really into egg salads, but when I came up with this particular recipe, I had to really, take some creative license and add my own twist into this whole thing, and it came out really perfect. So, as I said, you will need 600 grams of hard-boiled eggs. Place them in a bowl. And into your eggs, we're going to add some sliced up Fuji apples. You can use celery if you don't like Fuji apples. Okay. If you like your egg salad to be a little bit on the tart side, you can use Granny Smith apples. Or maybe you can just add a little bit of lemon juice. Okay? We're also adding a little bit of some white cheddar cheese. So if you don't have white cheddar cheese, you can use any cheese that you like. Okay, use your favorite cheese. Again, there's no hard and fast rules when it comes to this particular recipe. Okay, and then we're going to add some sweet pickle relish. So let's just toss this together. Toss gently. Okay, don't be too rough because you're going to break up the eggs too much. So you've got some tartness here with the pickle relish. You've got some nice juicy crunch with the apples. This is perfect. All right, so now that we've got all the ingredients mixed up and tossed together, set this aside. And we are going to need another bowl where we are going to mix the dressing for the salad. So I have here some full-fat mayonnaise. So don't be tempted to use the low fat or the reduced fat. Use full fat for the best flavor. Okay, and into this, we're adding a little bit of fine sea salt, some ground white pepper, some yellow prepared mustard, now you have to use mustard. Don't skip the mustard. It will really improve the flavor of your egg salad. A little bit of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Okay, now we're going to whisk this together. Okay, and then let's take back our bowl of ingredients. Next, we're going to combine both the dressing and our main ingredients. So when I formulated this recipe, I had to make sure that there was a perfect balance between the flavors. Okay, I wanted it to be nice and creamy, smooth, light, with that nice sweetness and tartness, you know, blending together. Not too much dressing, not too little. I definitely did not want the salad to be, you know, too liquidy with the dressing, nor did I want it to be dry. So when you formulate recipes, you really have to find that perfect balance, that magic, that sweet spot, as they call it. Now this will last in your fridge. You can keep this in an airtight container. Make sure it's clean and sanitized. This will last in your fridge for up to a week, up to 7 days. Okay, so you have to refrigerate this at least 4 hours before you serve it. That will really give time for the salad to, you know, for all the flavors to meld and to become, you know, a lot better. So when we come back, I'm going to show you how I enjoy my egg salad. But in the meantime, I want you to watch one of my upcoming classes at the Bailiwick Academy. Again, for those of you who are first-timers to my show, I offer baking classes, online classes at the Bailiwick Academy. And the link is in the description box below. So just click the link, it will take you to my page, and there you will see more than 30 classes that I am very sure you will enjoy. And a lot of my classes also have what we call the business potential. So you can turn the recipes into a fantastic, you know, offerings for your potential customers if you intend to start a home bake shop. So watch this and I'll be back shortly. Craving for the ultimate bibingka recipe steeped in Filipino tradition? Now you can make classic bibingka galapong right in your own kitchen any day of the year. Join me in the Ultimate Bibingka Galapong online class here at Bailiwick Academy. And we're back. If you enjoyed the trailer for my online class, please click the link below. It will take you to the Bailiwick Academy and you will be able to enroll in the online classes there. I have more than 30 classes now. So, here we are, our festive egg salad. Perfection achieved. So I would like to thank my mom for this, for inspiring this recipe, because of course I tweaked it a little bit. I'm going to enjoy it now with some hot toast and of course a cup of my Earl Grey tea with a touch of milk. So let's see. As I said, those who are not fond of egg salad, I dare you to give this a try and then comment below how you feel about it after you've tried it. Let's see. There's crunch, there's tartness, there's sweetness, there's creaminess. all of it going at the same time. Wow. And the cheese, there's a little bit of saltiness going in there. It's really perfect. This is one recipe that you're going to prepare day in and day out. I guarantee that. So, wow. If you enjoyed this recipe and this video, please do not forget to click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. All right? So this is Chef Joey Prats, hoping that you've enjoyed this episode of Perfection Achieved. I will see you again next time as we present more recipes for you to enjoy. Thank you all and God bless you.